Crunch, crunch, crunch. Let's go on a nature walk with Mrs. Raven. Let's look for signs of spring. I think I saw a groundhog running through the grass, and I think I saw the groundhog go into this little hole. Let me look. Let's look. In that tree, the bottom of the tree, see that hole? I wonder if they're going to pop their little heads out. It was a mommy and its baby. Baby groundhogs are a sign of spring. I want to look for signs of spring with you today, and I want you to try to get out and find some signs of spring. If you see little plants popping up through the ground, that's a sign of spring. If you see seed pods, that's a sign of spring. Let's see. Do you know what? I think I saw, yes, those are wild strawberries. The flower hasn't come up yet. Now, why am I out here? Because I want to introduce you to this new packet. Spring is here. And every other day, we're going to be doing one of those pages together. And I have the book right here to read to you. Spring is here. And I think the sun is coming out for me. Spring is here. We can do a lot of things. Spring is here. We can walk in the cool rain. Listen to can you hear the birds singing? I can hear the birds behind me. Spring is here. We can jump in big puddles. Spring is here. We can plant pretty flowers. Spring is here. We can fly bright kites. Spring is here. We can read under tall trees. Spring is here. We can play outside all day. Now you're going to do this page in your packet. Spring is here. Now this is separate from the packet we're using today. It's all my reading work in one place. Draw something you can do in spring. Then finish the sentence below. So I want you to draw 5 colors. Nice picture for me. Blank is here. We can blankety blankety blank. Alrighty. Have fun with that, kids. And every other day we're going to have a packet to do like this, a page to do from this packet. God bless you. Bye.